So as a local homegrown company from Grand Rapids, it's a privilege to be able to work with a lot of the universities and colleges around town here, and Cornerstone's been a great program that we've been able to draw some students from to hire alumni that are working with us full time and on the intern side of things.
I have been working here at Howies Hockey Tape for about a year and 6 months. Cornerstone overall prepared me with a range of business classes, from entrepreneurship to economics to sports management, different classes, different professors with different perspectives that just prepared you in general to communicate in a business world and how to pull your weight in the real world.
The Cornerstone students that we've have had a big influence on the business. When someone needs help, they're always there to pick up the slack and always putting their best foot forward, making sure that we're doing the best that we can do as a company to service our customers and holding everyone else accountable in the office to make sure that they're doing the jobs to the best of their ability.
I'm a senior at Cornerstone, and I'm a graphic design intern here at Howies Hockey Tape. The classes at Cornerstone have been really helpful for the overall creative process and trying to figure out where to go from stage one to the final product. Professor Sodom Lee at Cornerstone is just awesome. She's really helped me from the ground up, and it's been really applicable just to have the experience in the classroom to go into the internship here at Howies.
Some of the main things I've learned from this internship is definitely my experience with e-commerce that I believe will carry over to any other business job that I'll have in the future. Here at Howies, I work with the whole marketing team. Just a lot of communications required, and I got a lot of that from my marketing classes, especially with Professor Anthony.
So here at Howies, the best part of my job in sales would be the opportunity to find new business. Being a younger company, there's still a lot of schools and teams that haven't been reached out to, so I think it's enjoyable to find new avenues of business that we haven't fully explored yet.
I would say that our full-time Cornerstone graduate that we have working for us did an exceptional job, proved himself valuable, and has since taken over into a full-time athletic tape sales representative for Howies. And he's been continuously hitting his numbers, growing the business, reaching out and making new contacts, and being just a very firm pillar of customer service and doing a great job in that department.
The most helpful thing I learned in college was just working hard on things over and over. Cornerstone helps promote servant-hearted leadership through the way that the professors and coaches, any faculty display that and show the students servant-hearted leadership, and just overall the classes put me into a good thinking of what the business world day-to-day work looks like.